In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log out of your GetResponse account. This is a very simple process, but it's an important habit, especially if you're working on a shared or public computer, or if you manage multiple accounts and want to make sure you're completely signed out before switching. I'll walk you through each action slowly so you can follow along in real time. First, make sure you're already logged into your GetResponse account and that you're on any main page inside the platform, such as your dashboard. Once you're in, move your attention to the very top right corner of the screen. Up there, you should see a small person icon. This icon usually represents your profile or account settings. With your mouse, click on that person icon. As soon as you click it, a drop-down menu will appear. This menu contains several options related to your account, such as settings, profile details, and other tools you might use. For now, you can ignore all of those and simply look toward the bottom of this drop-down list. At the very bottom, you'll find the option labeled Log Out. This is the button that will safely sign you out of your GetResponse account. Go ahead and click on Log Out. After you click it, your browser may take a moment to process the request. You'll need to wait briefly while the page reloads. During this time, GetResponse is closing your active session so that no one else can access your account from that browser window. Once the page finishes reloading, you should no longer see your dashboard or any of your campaigns. Instead, you'll be taken back to the main login page. This is your confirmation that you've successfully logged out. You'll typically see fields asking for your email and password, or other sign-in options, ready for the next time you want to log in. If you ever want to double-check that you're really logged out, try refreshing the page or closing the browser tab and reopening the GetResponse site. If you see the login screen again and are not taken directly into your account, that means the logout worked properly, and that's all there is to it. You've just learned how to log out of your GetResponse account quickly and securely.